Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about some very basic geometrical shapes. We'll understand their definitions and their usage. Now, when you look around, you see so many objects, each one unique in its shape. You can find some objects are plane, some objects are straight, some objects are curved or round. So each object has a unique shape. When we learn about the basic shapes in geometry, we will be able to understand more about these objects. Let's first talk about a point. When I make a tiniest dot on the paper using a sharpest pencil, a tiniest dot. Now here you cannot even see it easily. This tiniest dot is called a point. A point is used to talk about the location. So if I want to tell you where I am on this paper, with respect to this paper, I will be able to tell you using a point. So point is usually denoted with uppercase English alphabet. For example, I can name this point as A. We use uppercase English alphabet to denote a point. Now when we have 2 points, so I have point A here and I have point B here. Now there are so many ways that I can reach this point. I can go, let's say, I can travel like this, or I maybe travel like this somewhere. So I can reach point A to point B. I can reach in many ways. When I reach from point A to point B in a shortest possible distance, then we call it line segment. The 2 points which are joined by this shortest distance, they are called end points of the line segment. And the line segment is denoted using these end points. And so I can call this line segment as AB. And to represent that this is a line segment, we give a bar on the top. And this bar is without any arrows, just a bar on top. And this can be pronounced as line segment AB. Now I have a line segment AB. Now if I extend this line segment on one side and I keep on going, so the arrow indicates that I am extending it much beyond this paper and it will never ever stop. I am extending this indefinitely. So when we extend the line segment indefinitely on one side, what we get is a ray. In this case, point A of the ray is called its start point. Because ray is starting from here. There is no part of ray on the left side of A here. The entire ray is on the right hand side of the A. And it is getting extended on that side. So A is a start point. And B is any point on this ray. It may be here, it may be here, it may be here. Any point on the ray. And in this case, we call this ray as ray AB. And we want to distinguish it from the line segment, because otherwise AB here will not know it. So what we do is we give a bar and we give an arrow pointing towards right. Now it is very important that when we name a line segment, the first letter, the first point here has to be the start point of the ray. So I cannot write this as BA. This ray cannot be called as BA. Now we have ray AB. So what we had initially, we had point AB. We joined the points, we got line segment AB, and then we extended this line segment on one side. We got ray. Now we will extend this ray on the other side as well. So now the line segment has been extended on both sides. And when that happens, we call it a line. And line can be named by any 2 points on this line. Any 2 points. It do not have to be these 2 points. Though we have got the line by extending this line segment, still we can name it with any other point. Let's say we have point C here. Then I can still call it as CB, line CB or line BC. And when we show it, what we do, we have a bar and we show arrows on both sides of the bar. And that clearly indicates this is a line. Now in line segment and in line, the letters can be reversed. So I can call this as line segment BA because both are endpoints. So I can call this as BA. Same way, I can call this line as CB instead of BC. But in the ray, we are not allowed to interchange the letters. It has to always start with the start point, the letter used for the start point. So we saw that a line is named using any 2 points on the line. There is another way to name a line. We can also name a line using a lowercase English letter for naming the line. So this line is also called as line L. Now let's talk about pair of lines, different pairs of lines. So we can have 2 lines which cross each other. Now in this case, these lines, when they cross each other, they are called intersecting lines. And this point O, the point at which they intersect, is called point of intersection. We can also see that the distance between these 2 points is this much here. As we go close to the point of intersection, the distance reduces and it becomes 0 at the point of intersection. So intersecting lines, the distance between them keeps on changing. So there is another pair of line where this distance does not change. So I have 2 lines and here I find that the distance between these 2 lines does not change. It remains same every place. So it remains same. And because the distance is not changing, these two lines will never ever cross each other. They will never cross each other. And these lines are called parallel lines. We use a denotation, that is two standing lines, to indicate that line AB is parallel to line CD. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.